If you want to reset password for the secure folder on the Motorola signature, the first thing that you can do is once you open the secure folder, and if you enter the password incorrectly a couple of times, then at the bottom you should be able to find recover access. So you can go ahead and select this option and verify yourself, in order to then find the option to verify yourself with your Moto account. So then you can use it in order to restore the access to the secure folder and of course change the password. Now, in case you cannot really use your Moto account for some reason, then what you can do instead, you can completely delete the secure folder and then set it up again. Of course, as a result, you will lose everything that you have inside the secure folder. So if you have some files, for example, hidden inside the secure folder, unfortunately you will lose them unless you have a copy. So if you decide to do so, you just have to open the settings on your phone. And then we're gonna scroll down and choose security and privacy. And then we're gonna go to more security and privacy. And after that, we can search for the secure folder. And over here, instead of course entering the secure folder, we can just simply delete the secure folder completely. And once you delete the secure folder, of course, you can just set it up again. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.